morning class. We are from the group 5 are going to present our material for today about literature and psychology, more especially how to analyze poetry in the psychological perspective. So here we are.
The definition of poetry and psychology. What is poetry? Poetry is a literature of artistic writing that attempts to stir the reader's imagination or emotion. What is psychology? Psychology is a study of mind and behavior. It explores the human thought, emotion, motivation, and perception. Thank you.
Poetry according to psychological perspective. There are two outlooks on poetry, like author and readers. The reason why the people likes to write and the reason why the people like to read on poetry. Composing poetry and reading poetry can be a means of self-expression and a way to convey emotions, thoughts, and experiences. Psychologists note that this activity can be a creative outlet that allows one to express feelings that are difficult to express with ordinary words. In addition, poetry can also be a means to explore and understanding the world of emotions and create an emotional connection with the reader or listener. Thank you.
So the next is poetry according to the author's psychological perspective. First is self-expression. Poetry is a great means of communication. It allows others to express their emotions, their feelings, their thoughts, their attitudes, and their ideas, both in positive and negative. And the second is creative expression. By writing a poetry, authors can express their own creativity, which can bring meaning into their own lives. And the third is wish to motivate or inspire others. By writing a poetry, authors can bring hope, bring motivations and inspiration into others' own life.
Poetry according to the reader's psychological perspective. The first, understand another person's feeling. By reading poems, the person can feel how the writer feeling, like feel boring, feel love, and so on. The second, finding inspiration and motivation. By reading a poetry, the reader can get motivation and feeling like the story in the poetry. And the third, appreciating the writer's artistic expression. By reading a poetry, people can appreciate the writer's artistic and can express the means of the poetry. That's all.
So in conclusion, psychology and poetry connecting to each other because both explore the depths of human experience, emotions, and cognition. Poetry provides creative outlet to express complex psychological themes, while psychology offers insights into the workings of the mind and emotions, providing rich material for poetic exploration. Writing, reading, or reciting a poetry is a self-therapy because it taps into emotions in communicating one's feelings or experiences.